So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and get Microsoft Excel on your iPhone or Android device. Now doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're first going to want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your App Store just like this. And all you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically find the Excel application. So click on the very bottom right over here. And all you're going to want to do here is just type in Excel. So right over here, just type in Excel just like this. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to download the Excel application. So right over here, we have the Excel app. And all you're going to want to do is click on Get. And you just want to download this application down. So tap on Install. And all you're going to want to do is download the Microsoft Excel application. After this, you're going to be basically good to go. And you're going to be able to essentially use this application as you normally would, and it's going to be the mobile version of Excel. So it's going to give you a lot of cool features, a lot of cool things here and there. Nothing super crazy, but it's going to be enough features to kind of give you essentially the things that you can kind of do. And that is basically all you have to do here. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.